Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will look the very important concept that is called mapping in solidity. So mapping is widely used in a smart contract basically, and it's a very important topic. So what basically mapping is? So mapping is a one kind of data structure we can say which will store the key value pair, data as a key value pair. It means like there is some unique key, and for that unique key, we capture a value for that against that key, we capture the value. And key can be any built-in data type that is allowed. That in Solidity, like whatever inbuilt data type is there, that we can keep as a key, and the value we can keep whatever we want. And mapping are mostly used to associate the unique Ethereum address with the associated value type. So it will be more clear once we look the um hands-on example. So let's see how this say what is the syntax. How syntax if you see there, yeah, right? So there is a keyword that mapping and this for this keyword we have a key and the value, not the type. Actually this is the value type. Maybe we can keep as a normal value, or maybe the struts type of value or something. And yeah, key, as I mentioned, like we can keep as a maybe we can keep as byte types, a string type, or any address like any type here. And value is like can any type of value we can capture here. So now it will be more clear once I explain the example. It will be more clear. So let's jump on Remix online ID, and we can see that how mapping works. Yeah. So here I have created one sample example that is a mapping dot shawl. And if you see here, so this is a smart contract. Test mapping is just a smart contract. And here I have created one a struct user struct, and we can see like I keep three variable here: string name, uint age, and user registered, whether the user is registered or not. So this is another concept I have already explained in my previous video. If so, please go through that video. I will give you the link in description. Now, let's see the mapping. So this is the syntax of mapping. So here, what I'm doing here, I have declared a map with address as a key and value for users. It will store user details. Okay, and key will be the address. It's this is the unique. This will be the unique one, and user whatever user data is there, we can capture it. I'll show you the running example so that it will be clear for you. So now we can see I have created another function to register a user. Okay, we have to register a user. So I have created one function here that is the register user. If you see this, I am passing two parameter. Is a name and it's a age, and name is as a string, and age is as a uint 256, and it's a public. And if you see here, this is a very important, guys. Please focus on this. So if you see here, this is the map, right? This is the map, users map I have declared, and if you see this message dot sender, so message dot sender, it's capture the this sender address here. Okay, so this is the map. It's capture this till here address, and against this address, I am capturing the name, age, and one record of user basically. Okay, a new record of user here I am capturing. So this address will capture the one record here. And let's say like to get the user, we will pass the particular address and it will return the user details. So it's not like it can capture like multiple. We can give them multiple address for that address. Or user details will be there. So let me run this example, deploy it and run it so that it will be more clear for you. Now I will do the deployment of this. If you see, test mapping is my contract is getting deployed, and I will come here, and you can see register user is the function here, right? And get user is this one, and user is the this structs. Okay, this structs having this address. So what I'll do it, I'll first of all I'll go here. We can see it's asking for two parameter, right? So I'll give the my name, okay, and then I'll give the age, okay. I'll do the transact. Now this is if you see here, right? So this is it's transact successfully. The user is registered successfully. Now, how we will get the user details? To get the user details, if you see this address, right? EDDC4 is the address. For this address, we have captured the user details. So this is the address. This is the account address. We need to copy this address here. And if I want to get the detail of that users, I'll click this one, and we can see this is the name, this is the age, and user is registered true. Okay, let me show you the another example. I'll go with this. I'll deploy it. Okay, now I'll register another user. I'll register test. Sorry, here not. This my bad. Test and let's say 26 transact. So now I'll take this address, right? I'll take the address, the account, this address here. I'll copy it. I'll go here. I'll give the details now. Get user. So now it's returning the test and 26 as a is right. Now I'll go back here. First one. I'll get user details. So we can see here, right? We are getting it. Maybe I'll paste it here and let's say get nothing because the address we need to keep it here, right? Because we have done the deployment for this address. So uh, this is what like mapping works.